Hey guys, it's me Elsa with the rest of my life story, and I'm just chilling out here. Can you see me? Eating ice cream, farm crafted watermelon, dairy, gluten, and fat free. I mean, it's so good. 70 on the calories per container, 20 per serving, and it's good. You do it like that there. Got your money over there playing with the pool and trying to get the water out of it. But yeah, it's relaxing out here. It really is. Don't forget to subscribe. See, this is the kind of ice cream. Sergio is a busybody. He's always moving, like you gotta keep an eye on him. He's very active. See, just look. He don't sit in one spot. Ven acá, papi. Ven acá. Ven acá, siéntate aquí. Sergio sat down in the water like a weirdo. Ven acá. You want more ice cream? Say hi to YouTube. Dile hola a YouTube. Díselo. Mira, ven acá. Ven acá, papi. Ven. Déjate eso. See, he don't want to be bothered. Say hi to YouTube, bunny.
Say hi.
Say subscribe to my mom's channel.
Subscribe to my mom's channel.
Okay. I like to sit down and relax in the nature and facing the sun. The sun is so healing to me. It's like a garment, nice garment with heat, with warm, like a heat pad. Oh hell no, what kind of bug is this? When I wake up in the morning, I hear birds. I hear birds talking. Every morning. These trees got bird nests in it. Money. Don't forget your books I gotta return back to the library. I don't want to hear them people mouth. Alright guys. I have a little more ice cream left. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is what I do on my spare time. One of the things I like to relax and get all the love from the sun. Love and light. Subscribe.